Hey, what's up YouTubers? Today I'll be unboxing my PSP 3000 case. It came from Site to Store. So yeah, let me go ahead. I pulled most of everything off. Gotta cut a tape off. Here's the case itself. Very awesome case. And got some delivery paper and warranty paper. It cost me almost 13 bucks. The exact price $12.84 from Walmart.com. And the link to go see this at Walmart.com will be in the description of the video. Does that have tape on it too? Yes, it does. Open this bottom part. I should have just pushed it out. That's some of me. Yeah, you always do this. So, see, this part is for your UMDs and your 2 memory cards down here, the little slot. The top part for your PSP also has a strap, so you can also hold it. It's cool. Take this off quick. Here's the zipper up. Fits perfectly. And now I can put my 4 UMDs in there. Right now I only have 2. Soon to have more. So thanks for watching this. Take care.
Tonight, move your body from left to right. Why you freaks don't stop the rock. That space girl speaking and you know what? Space girl speaking in the house tonight. Move your body from left to right. Why you freaks don't stop the rock.